Ever wondered what it's like to immerse yourself in the rich culture of Morocco? Welcome, wanderers and wanderers, to a land where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. Our journey today navigates through Morocco's vibrant tapestry of culture, traditions, and the transformative power of community service. From the bustling souks to the tranquil Atlas Mountains, we'll explore the depth of experiences that await in this North African gem. So buckle up and open your hearts as we get ready to dive deep into the heart of Morocco. Morocco, a country with a rich cultural heritage and diverse traditions. As we delve into this vibrant nation, we uncover a tapestry of customs and traditions, each more fascinating than the last. Each aspect of Moroccan culture is a beautiful blend of indigenous Berber, Arab, French, and other African influences, creating a cultural mosaic unique to this part of the world. Let's start with language. In Morocco, you'll hear a symphony of tongues, with Arabic and Amazigh, or Berber, being the two official languages. But don't be surprised if you hear a sprinkle of French, Spanish, or even English in bustling cities and tourist hotspots. Each language adds its own unique melody to the Moroccan soundscape, painting a vivid picture of the nation's multicultural identity. Now let's talk about music. Moroccan music is an intoxicating mix of traditional and contemporary sounds, from the rhythmic beats of Berber music to the soulful strains of Nawa, a form of spiritual music brought by sub-Saharan slaves, to the modern fusion of Rai and Chabi. Moroccan music is a reflection of its diverse ethnicities and histories. And who can forget about Moroccan cuisine? A delightful explosion of flavors awaits your palate. From the hearty tagine, slow-cooked to perfection in a clay pot, to the sweet and flaky pastillas, each dish is a culinary journey through the country's rich history and geographical diversity. Moroccan cuisine is also famous for its use of spices like saffron, cumin, and coriander, which add depth and complexity to every bite. Traditional Moroccan clothing, too, tells a story. The jalaba, a long, loose-fitting outer robe, and the kaftan, a more ornate version often worn during special occasions, are just two examples. These garments are usually made from wool, cotton, or silk, and their intricate designs and embroidery reflect the country's artisanal heritage. As you navigate through the vibrant streets of Morocco, remember to approach its culture with an open mind and respectful demeanor. Understanding and respecting these customs is not just a courtesy, it's a way to deepen your connection with the people and the place. Immersing in Moroccan culture is truly a unique and enriching experience. Beyond the culture, Morocco is steeped in age-old traditions. These traditions, ingrained in daily life and special occasions, are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of Moroccan identity. Let's step into the world of henna tattooing, a practice deeply rooted in Moroccan tradition. Henna, a plant-based dye, is used to create intricate designs on the skin, often on the hands and feet. These tattoos are more than just body art. They are a form of self-expression, a celebration of life's milestones, and a talisman believed to bring good luck and ward off evil. Whether it's a wedding, a birth, or a religious holiday, henna tattooing is a beautiful way to mark the occasion. Now let's shift gears and talk about Moroccan tea ceremonies. If there's one thing synonymous with Moroccan hospitality, it's the ritual of serving tea. This isn't your ordinary cup of tea, it's a ceremonious affair. The tea of choice is green tea with mint, sweetened with copious amounts of sugar. The preparation and serving of this tea is an art form in itself, a symbol of Moroccan generosity and warmth. The higher the pour, the greater the honor bestowed upon the guest. And who could forget about the Mousum of Tantan? This annual gathering in the city of Tantan is a vibrant celebration of Moroccan and Saharan culture. Nomadic tribes from across the region converge to share their music, dance, and customs. It's a spectacle of color, rhythm, and unity that embodies the spirit of Moroccan tradition. Each of these traditions, from henna tattooing to tea ceremonies to the Mousum of Tantan, offer a glimpse into the soul of Morocco. They reflect the country's rich history, its cultural diversity, and its enduring sense of community. So, as you delve into the heart of Morocco, remember to embrace these traditions. Experience them, respect them, and let them enrich your understanding of this incredible country. After all, understanding these traditions brings you closer to the Moroccan soul. While exploring Morocco, why not leave a positive impact on the local communities? Morocco provides an array of opportunities for those seeking to intertwine their travel with purpose. From the mountain ranges of the Atlas to the bustling cities of Marrakesh and Casablanca, there's a chance to make a meaningful difference that echoes beyond your stay. Education is one of the most impactful ways to contribute to a community's growth. In Morocco, opportunities abound to help teach English, assist in creating educational materials, or even help build a school. By participating in these projects, you not only equip individuals with valuable skills, but also contribute to the community's wider development. Yet the opportunities don't stop there. In the realm of healthcare, there are numerous projects that aim to improve the quality of life for locals. From assisting in local clinics to supporting health education initiatives, your efforts can have a profound impact on the well-being of the Moroccan people. You might even find yourself in the heart of the Atlas Mountains, helping to deliver essential health services to remote communities that truly appreciate your efforts. Then there's the sphere of sustainable development. In a country as diverse and rich in natural resources as Morocco, sustainability is key. You could find yourself helping to build eco-friendly housing, collaborating on sustainable farming projects, or even working on solar power initiatives. By contributing to these projects, you're not just helping Morocco today, but you're also investing in its future. Of course, it's crucial to ensure that your efforts are directed through reputable volunteer organizations. These organizations uphold ethical practices and ensure your contributions have a long-term sustainable impact. They'll guide you throughout your journey, ensuring your time and skills are put to the best use, while also respecting local customs and traditions. Remember, the goal of volunteering isn't just about what you can bring to the table, but also what you can learn from the experience. It's about sharing knowledge, understanding different perspectives, and fostering mutual respect. It's a two-way street that enriches both you and the community. So, as you plan your Moroccan adventure, consider intertwining your journey with a touch of purpose. Whether you're passionate about education, healthcare, or sustainable development, there's a place for you in Morocco's vibrant volunteer scene. Through community service, you can contribute to the positive growth of Morocco while enriching your travel experience. Volunteering abroad is a rewarding experience, but ensuring ethical practices is vital. Each one of us holds the power to make a difference. As we travel, we have the opportunity to touch lives, transform communities, and leave a lasting impact. But it's crucial to remember that our actions should be guided by respect and responsibility. This is where ethical volunteering comes into play. Ethical volunteering is not just about lending a hand, it's about understanding the needs of the community, respecting the local culture, and making sure our actions contribute to sustainable development. It's about creating a positive impact that extends beyond our stay, fostering growth and progress that continues to thrive long after we've packed our bags and headed home. Imagine being part of an initiative that empowers local communities, that helps children get the education they deserve, that brings healthcare to those who need it most. It's an inspiring thought, isn't it? But to ensure this, it's crucial to choose the right volunteer organization. Reputable volunteer organizations prioritize the needs of the community. They have established relationships with local partners. They respect local customs and traditions, and they are committed to making a long-term positive impact. They ensure that your contributions are used effectively and ethically. Before you sign up, do your research. Ask questions. Find out about the organization's mission and values, their projects and their impact. Look for transparency and accountability. Check for reviews and feedback from past volunteers. Remember, it's not just about what you can give, it's also about who you are giving to. When we volunteer ethically, we are not just visitors or tourists. We become part of the community, part of the solution. We learn, we grow, and we contribute to a better world. We become catalysts for change, inspiring others to do the same. So, as you plan your journey, remember to pack not just your suitcase, but also your sense of responsibility and respect. And remember, every action, no matter how small, can make a big difference. Ethical volunteering ensures that your contributions truly make a difference in the communities you serve. Exploring Morocco's culture and traditions while contributing to its communities is a journey like no other. It's a unique blend of travel and service, where you don't just witness the vibrant life of Morocco, you become a vital part of it. Today, we've dived deep into the heart of Morocco, exploring its rich culture and time-honored traditions. We've looked at the opportunities to contribute to local communities through education, healthcare, and sustainable development projects. But remember, it's not just about lending a hand. It's about engaging ethically, being mindful of the long-term impact of your actions, and respecting the local customs and traditions. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, Morocco offers a unique opportunity to combine travel with meaningful service. Have you ever traveled to Morocco or participated in a community service project? Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, travel responsibly and make a difference where you can.